with the one and only Chibaby, and today we're gonna make, well, Asian people we call it, well, Cambodian people we call it pabal, well, chicken pabal, but it's pretty much like rice soup, chicken rice soup. Okay, so I start off with some water. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that on, and then I also use chicken broth. I poured it in here. I wasn't sure if it was going bad. I had to smell it from out of the container it come from. Alright, and we can go ahead and put a cup of rice. You know what? I might do 1.5. Let me get some more rice. Now, I only have some of the chicken because we actually ate it yesterday by making spring rolls. Now, I should have did a video of us doing the spring rolls, but we were so hungry that we end up making our own spring roll as we go. Like, we were making it and eating it, making it and eating it. So, that would have probably been too much. Yeah, DJ in Tokyo and I, we were making, oh, so I put black pepper, turmeric. Now, most people won't have the moringa powder, but I like to put it. You don't have to, it doesn't really make a difference. A little salt, because normally I use garlic salt. Garlic salt. But yeah, I think one day I'll do a video on the spring rolls. This is garlic powder. I do like cayenne pepper a little bit. Not too much because DJ Tokyo can't handle the spice. And we just a little lemon pepper. Alright. And stir that in a little bit. Now really, this is gonna cook itself because all I'm gonna have to do now is put in the chicken. And I like to tear some in pieces. So, I did not charge my camera, so I hope this doesn't die. So, I like to put the bone in here as well because that's where all the flavor is. And this, I just bought it from, well, I bought mine from Sam's Club, but you can buy it from Walmart, Kroger. I don't know if Target carries them. Wherever has rotisserie chicken. And today's a cold day, cold, gloomy, wet, rainy day, so this is a perfect soup to eat. And I always do it right after I have spring rolls because I always have leftover chicken. Because it's just us two. DJ Tokyo and I. Now I do give Astro, my dog, some chicken. Whew, that heat is hot. I got my birthday nails, y'all. Look. Oh, wait. Can you see it? Ooh. Pisces. Comment if you're a Pisces. Oh my goodness. I'm so tired. I don't know why I've been so tired lately. Took my vitamin D and should give me some energy. But you know what? This weather would do it, huh? The bone right in there. Don't break up some of that. Now, if you have kids, you may want to put it as one whole, so then you don't have to worry about bones being everywhere. But we're adults here, and I think we are okay with the bones where we would watch out when we eat it. I hope so. But you know what? Knowing me, I choke on water, so I mean, I hope not. All right. Whew. That looks good already. Now, if you want to, you can add more seasoning. I know the chicken has some seasoning to it on its own. I like eating this dish with hot sauce, so I normally don't add anything. And the hot sauce that I use with it is the American, what is it, buffalo? I gotta get it in a second. Oh no, okay. Oh no. I don't know what this is. I really don't. What piece of this is in a chicken? We're thinking it's a brain, but I know we don't get the head, so it doesn't make sense. But I don't like it. So I take that out, whatever it is. Okay. Alright. I'll be right back. I'm gonna wash my hands. Louisiana one. I like this hot sauce. Or you can use Red Hot, you know, anything that has like a lemony, somewhat spicy taste to it, because it makes it really good. Now, this soup is not watery, like it's more like a it's almost like chicken and rice, but not as not as watery. Some people like theirs watery. I actually don't. So. But this is gonna take a minute, so I'm gonna let this cook, and I am definitely gonna show y'all the finished product. And I'll go ahead and try it on camera. Ah! Oh goodness, that's wild. Okay, I need to lower it down. I'll try it on camera for you guys and let y'all know how it tastes. I mean, I know it's gonna taste good because I make this a lot, so. But you know what? Smelling it, I may need some more garlic salt. I think I put more black pepper than anything. I sure did. Oh gosh, I shouldn't have did it when it was steaming. Oh well. Oh, one more. Hold on. I knew I forgot something. I like to add soy sauce to this. That's where all the... Okay. Now, y'all, I don't measure, so I really can't tell you guys. Just do it to your flavor. Okay, that's so much better. I almost forgot the soy sauce. Oh my gosh. Alright, y'all. I'm going to show y'all when it's done. See you guys in a minute. Alright, so now I see that the rice is cooked. So, let's see. It's just a simple dish. Something to just throw real quick. You don't know what to think of for dinner most of the time. So, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this off and I'm going to let it sit with a top on. Okay. I don't know why. I only got 2 big tops and I still get them confused. Alright. So it's off. You know what? So it won't burn at the bottom. I'm going to move it over and let it sit. And then I'm going to show y'all. Okay. And this is what I'm talking about. Now, it could be more watery than this, but I like it like this. So I'm gonna just get a spoonful because I'm actually still kind of full with when I did this so I can break up the chicken more. So I could have got a clear bowl for you guys, but you know what? I love my cup, my soup cup. So now I'm putting in the hot sauce. Don't need that much. Alright. Okay. Y'all don't make fun of me. Sometimes I like a baby spoon. Okay. Especially with soup, in a way. At least rice soup. Okay, I'll let y'all see. Okay. Ooh, it smells so good. Okay, I know it's kind of hot. Ah! Y'all didn't tell me the camera was moving. What? What's going on? Hey, you know what? That's not working today. Alright. Let's go ahead. Get a bite. And y'all see? And it was easy. All you needed was chicken. Really. And rice, obviously. Mmm. It's a good day for it because it's raining outside. Good day. So good. Now, if you want it more watery, just add more water or chicken broth. Just go by the taste. You know, you'll know when to stop with the seasoning. I normally don't put too much seasoning because really, like, chicken broth, you know, have some salt, and then also like the hot sauce, it kind of like already, I guess, overwhelms the flavor in a way. Well, gives it more flavor. I won't say overwhelm it, but gives it a little more flavor. So that's why I like it. I season it enough so when I add hot sauce, it don't like mess up or whatever. Anyways, it is definitely busting. It's good. I just am full, but no, I can't stop eating. Might as well finish this, huh? But yeah, this is just something simple and easy. Especially when DJ Tokyo come home. They're like, what we having for dinner? Look, you need the rice soup. Chicken rice soup. He's all good. He's all good. But alright, you guys. I'm going to finish this up. Woo. I'm kind of full though. But I'm going to finish it up because I like it and it's good. But thank y'all for watching. It didn't take that long. Really, as long as once the rice is cooked, it's done. Like, that's it. So however long the rice cook, you know, rice, it just depends on the water temperature mostly. So if you keep it high, it'll cook faster. But you know, I kind of fluctuate it back and forth between high and medium, just so that I can get the other stuff right. Which what I mean by that is like the chicken's already cooked, but sometimes, you know, when you cook it just a tad little longer, it breaks itself. Or like now, like, because with it still being in big chunks, I mean, really, all you gotta do is take a spoon and smack, look, and you get little pieces. So it's not that much work. That was just something like easy just to throw in. And you know, the person that's gonna eat the food, they're not gonna mind doing the work. They gonna eat it anyways. But alright, y'all, thank you guys for watching. Peace.